Why was informed consent denied to Henrietta Lacks? Imagine going to the doctor for treatment and leaving with something taken from your body without knowing or agreeing. That's what happened to Henrietta Lacks in 1951. Back then, the rules about telling patients what was done to them were not clear or legally required. Doctors at Johns Hopkins Hospital took cells from her cervix during her cancer treatment. She signed a general consent form, but it only allowed necessary medical procedures. It did not mention that her cells would be used for research or that they could be grown outside her body. She was not told that her cells would be used in experiments or that she might become infertile because of the procedure. At that time, there were no strict rules about informing patients or getting their permission for research. The idea of fully explaining the risks and purposes of using tissues was not yet standard practice. The focus was mainly on treating the patient, not on protecting their rights to make decisions about their own body parts. The medical community did not see the need for detailed consent forms or for informing patients about how their tissues might be used later. Henrietta Lacks was also a Black woman treated in a segregated hospital. This meant she faced racial inequalities that affected her care. Her family was unaware of her cells being used for decades, and they did not receive any money or recognition. This situation highlights how social and racial biases influenced medical treatment and research. It also shows how her autonomy was overlooked because of her race and social status. Her case helped people realize the importance of respecting patients' rights today. Modern bioethics emphasizes that patients should be fully informed about what will happen to their tissues and must agree freely. The story of Henrietta Lacks reminds us why clear, honest communication and respect for individual choices are essential in medicine. It also led to new rules and guidelines to protect patients' rights and ensure they are treated fairly and ethically in research and healthcare.